My name's Aaron O'Day and I'm a Smithsonian scientist in the Dominican Republic, and right now we're in the very west of the Dominican Republic, very close to the Haitian border, and we're in Cañon de Buho, which is a famous site because we have right here an incredible section of Holocene reef, which means a reef that is 6,000 years old. And the reason we can see this is because we're below sea level. So because the Enriquillo Lake has drained away, all of these reefs have become exposed so that we can see them in their 3D structure. So essentially what we're looking at here is the middle of a reef core that grew 6,000 years ago. And you can see the fantastic corals that grew on top of each other. And it's full of the biodiversity of a very healthy coral reef, a Caribbean coral reef. And it's full of shells like these strombus, the fighting conch and the queen conch. And the queen conch, which many people may have seen around the Caribbean, but it's unlikely that they've seen conch with such thick lips. And that thick lip tells you that this animal lived for a very, very long time, probably 20 or 25 years. And it's really rare to see that today. So why were these animals living for so long? Why was this reef so healthy, whereas the reefs today of the Caribbean are so unhealthy? So that what we're trying to do here is we're trying to collect samples and make comparisons with modern reefs to try and explain exactly what conditions were like 6,000 years ago. But perhaps with those sort of questions, we can answer why we're seeing the deterioration that we see in modern Caribbean reefs.